Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about a new product. Well, it's actually a pretty old product, but it's a new product to me. I went in my drugstore, my local Walgreens, just looking for things to review or just new makeup in general, and I stopped by the NYX little thing and I saw this. This is the NYX Slip Tease Full Color Lip Oil. Now, I've never tried a lip oil before. I've been very curious to trying lip oil, so that's why I picked this up. I have the one shade in the color I Woke Up Like This, and it's like a nice nudie pink shade, as you guys can tell by the background and everything. Like, I like nude pink, so this is like the perfect color to go for. So let's talk about what is it supposed to do and the cost and all that good jazz. Alright, so what the product's supposed to do, the product is $7.99 total, and it has a total of 12 shades. And it's supposed to be luxurious feeling on the lips. It's supposed to be a satin matte finish, so kind of, I guess, that natural kind of sheen finish. And it just also feel comfortable on the lips. The website doesn't really say anything else about it. So it has the typical NYX, kind of the same applicator that the lip lingeries have. So same applicator, except this is a little bit bent. I don't remember if the other applicators are bent or not. But let's go ahead. I'm gonna go swatch it on my back of my hand so you guys can see the color. And it's a nice like pinky color. It doesn't look, it looks a little bit like a tiny bit streaky on the back of my hand, but I do have hair on the back of my hand, so I mean, like, I'm a hairy person, so yeah. So let's go ahead and apply it. Alright, so this is how it looks on the lips. I'm not hating the color at all. I really like it. I personally, just to kind of tone it down, it's because it's a little bit of bright of a nude pink, I would tone it down just with a brown lip liner. But so far it doesn't look bad. The one thing that I can say, first impressions of it, it does accentuate, like, as far as like if you have chapped lips or skin on your lips, like chapped skin that's lifting off of your lips, it's definitely going to almost accentuate that a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see, but with a good lip scrub, like if you make sure you scrub your lips, get all the dead skin off, and make sure you moisturize the lip beforehand. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna go throughout the rest of my day. I'm gonna wear it for about, I'm gonna try to keep it under, like at the 5-hour mark or the 5 to 8 hour mark or so, and I will come back and let you guys know about the wear time and all that good stuff. All right, I will catch you guys in a sec, or in a later. I will see you guys later. Alright guys, so this has been a very, 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 very long day, and I do have lots of thoughts on this product right here. So as you can tell, I do not have the same product that I have on earlier. I actually have on the NYX Liquid Lingerie in Beauty Mark. Now the reason why is because I do not like this product. So the reason why I don't like it is because like it was okay when I first put it on, but and let's start with what was my fault. So what was my fault is that I didn't exfoliate before I put it on. So of course there was the dry little flakes that were there. But me thinking this was a lip oil, I'm thinking, okay, it's going to, and it didn't claim to like moisturize my lips or anything like that, but me thinking, okay, lip oils, most lip oils are, or at least lip oils that I've seen other people review, they're, you know, lightweight, they're comfortable on the lips. And as I wore this throughout the day, it got drier and drier on my lips to where like it was literally kind of like making everything even worse. So what happened was about the 4 to 5 hour mark, I decided to take it off and I switched it with the lip lingerie. Now, as far as the lasting power, it didn't last that long, and I didn't expect it to last really long because it is a lip oil. And also it did have, like how it said in the description, it has that kind of satin matte finish, so I definitely agree with that. But with that being said, I did not like the way that it felt as it was wearing. It kind of reminded me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick formula, and that's one of the reasons why I didn't like the formula of the Anastasia Beverly Hills, because it didn't dry down completely, but it was still matte, but it was kind of like I don't know how to describe it. It's like kind of slippery at the same time, to where it kind of like, it gets a little bit uncomfortable, and it feels like you're kind of making like a cakey batter on your lips, if that makes any sense at all. So, I mean, if you like the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick formula, then you'll probably like these. Of course, it's the lip oil, so it's going to be a lot more sheer than these. As far as other NYX products that I enjoy, just because it's not that I don't like the brand, of course, I really like the lip lingeries. These to me are really comfortable. It comes in plenty of colors, and you get a really long wear out of these, so I really enjoy these, and they're not super drying whatsoever. Even when my lips are dry, these are really comfortable. And I also really like the NYX. This is their new Powder Puff Lippy. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely want to do a series on my channel, and I thought about this all day today, like a series where I try different lip products throughout the week, kind of like a lip product style week. I have no idea like what I'm gonna call it, but you know, I never see a lot of people like review like many different lip products, and lip products is kind of one of those things, like there's always new lip things coming out. So yeah, it was just something that I thought about and that I might do on my channel. So if you guys kind of have an idea of like a name for it, or whatever you want to call it, leave that comment it down below. If you like the videos that I do here, definitely give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I will catch you guys later in another video. Bye.